Hello everybody, everything's good. Today I will show my analysis about the Bitcoin market. Okay, I will talk about the daily and the weekly chart, and especially this week we saw a rise in the Bitcoin price. So we break the range. Okay, so we have indications of an upward trend. Okay, and like I always say, my mission here is to talk about the facts, is to talk about the information about what is happening in the market and let you make your own conclusion. Okay, but in the end of the video I will tell my opinion about what I imagine for the next Bitcoin movement. Okay, so if you like this type of video, stay until the end because I will tell important information about the market and the Bitcoin price. Okay, now enough of the bullshit and let's go to work. Well guys, my name is Victor. I'm creator of the blockchain market analysis here, okay? And I have been working in the crypto market for years, like 2018, okay? And before I start, I want to say that if you like this type of video, please like this. You'll be help me a lot and comment your opinion about this analysis. And a disclaimer for you is that I will do some different videos for you in the next 2 weeks, more fundamentalist videos for you. So I will go a period without technical analysis because I will make maintenance in my computer, and then I will not be able to publish weekly videos for you. So I will recording right now a series of fundamental videos about the crypto and the BTC. And the blockchain too, and make it available week by week. And as soon as my computer is ready, I will return the technical analysis for you. Okay, but don't worry, every week a video will be published for you, always Monday at 8 a.m. right? And guys, like I always say, another thing, if you have any question about the market, especially for who is starting the market right now, question about the how to invest, how to buy, how to store BTC or another altcoin, please leave it in the comments that I will promise answer them in the best way I can do. Okay? Well guys, so let's go. Analyzing this weekly chart. Okay, I want to talk about the medium term. This is in the yellow, our downtrend. Look how it was done, how it was drawn. How did I do it? I put the graphic in line like this, and to get a clear view of the situation. Look, trying to fit the tops correctly. Okay, another thing, I had this downtrend at the beginning of the year and helped me a lot in my operations. And this week we see the price, we saw the price broke through this line in this period. Okay, and thus reached like let me see what was the increase. Just this week it was like 11% of a rise. Okay, it is important to remember that in the last month the price of BTC broke the same trend. It was this period. Okay, let me zoom in this period. Okay, the beginning of the June. But then we fell again in the next week. So should we pay attention in a possible false break? And it is also worth mentioning that the break of the medium term is something very positive for the market, as indicates that BTC is wanted to end the downward trend and then start a new bull run. in a medium-term view, which is something that Bitcoin has been trying to achieve since the end of the last year. And it seems to this year, Bitcoin, in my opinion, has a great probability of the end of this year, which with a value about $11,000. Okay, and yes, these assets has potential for that. And guys, another information about the Bitcoin, it is our short term in the orange. Okay, you are seeing that. I put it here. It was really broken with this candle, and I always do what I like to do in the breaks. I wait about 2 or 3 candles and analyze how the market answer with this movement, how it will be in the coming weeks. But I do not delete this channel during that period. I just completely delete if the price actually stays out for 2 or 3 weeks above the channel, okay? Because we can see a false break or another thing, and this channel can help me for another things, another info, okay? And another positive indication of the price, it is the Bitcoin in the weekly chart. It is the EMA 20. Look at that, in purple here. Let me see. Which today we are far from it, something like, let me see, 11%. It is very good, indicating that it is unlikely to have a big drop, and also inform that the EMA 20 is currently $8,800, and we know that the EMA 20, it is a strong price support. It becomes increasingly difficult to see the BTC below $90,000. This is my opinion, okay? And guys, if you have any suggestion or want to add something in my analysis, you can do that in the comments, okay? And right now, let's go to the daily chart. So guys, on the daily chart, we have many info that happened in this week, and the beginning is what happened in this week and how it impact on the daily chart, okay? So let me see something here. We had a bearish channel that I put. This is in the red, okay? Which the price had broken it, and then, okay, broken in this day, and then the upper line was being a support for the price. So when the price broke, and when the price broke the EMA 20, okay, this was in the 21, it was a good strength and hit the resistance number 1, okay? And then after 3 days we hit our resistance number 2. So what we can analyze from this movement, look at how the EMA 20, it is a strong indication, because when we break this, it was very significant, and even though the price almost broke down on this day, and like I always say, it is important to use stock in your operation, to have a plan, a strategy, and things like that. Now we are going to delete this red bearish channel, because we have many candles outside of the projection, but we are inside in our gray range. We are our gray box. You see that? Okay, we are in this gray box, which is the range. It is 8.5 lower to 10,000 higher. and where we are in this box for how many days, and we are 88 days here, 88. Okay, it's a long time now, and now we are approaching the upper line of this box. And guys, in addition, we will talk about the daily resistance and supports, as these two blank resistance here were broken. Now I will draw new superior resistance, which for me the next resistance it is in 90.8 as a resistance number one, and the next resistance it is the $10,020. Okay, and now how are the supports? So I will put here the new resistance and supports in my chart. Okay, so wait a minute, I will delete and I delete the past supports, and the lines we are on resistance now becomes supports. That is, before this line would not let the price go up, now these lines here, these two lines here, will not let the price go down. Correct? Does it make sense for you? And another good information that I would like to say to you, it is that I always like to give a tip, something that makes sense to me, and then share something good for you, right? So this inside, it is cool, and it is specific for people who apply hold in your life, especially hold BTC hold. Okay, in the hold of Bitcoin, it is correct thing is to always have the mentality and the goal that your asset will appreciate, will increase, will rise. Simple as that. Why I'm saying this? You can do several type of operation like I do too. But if you want your asset to drop in a value so you can buy cheaper, it is a bullshit. It doesn't make sense. I know that we have to analyze the right movement to buy, but you must always be happy when you see your asset rising, like in this case, like these days, okay? Because I am a Bitcoin holder, and if you are holding an asset and expecting a fall, you lost your mind. You need to see your money increasing. This is the correct mindset, okay? Now it is my turn to ask you, what do you think about my video? Do you like this analysis? Do you want to add something? Please answer in the comments that I asked. I will definitely read all the comments, and I'm very interested to know how you're analyzing the market right now with this increasing. What do you think? Now I will spend a few weeks posting other types of content, but soon I will return with the technical analysis for you, okay? I promise that, and now I also create a group on my end on Telegram, and I will leave the link below in the description, and if you want to go there and interact with us, feel free, okay? And again, thanks for the support. Enjoy this video, like this video, okay guys? Comment, help me to do these videos for you. Share with your friends in Telegram, Facebook. So that's it. A hug for you, good trades, a wonderful week for everybody, and remember, let's make money from the market. Bye bye, see you.